All unit tests are proctored this year. This is a new thing that I'm doing. What is a proctored test? Proctored test is one that is overseen by an impartial individual who monitors a student during a test. Proctor ensures the security and the integrity of the test process. Why have proctored tests? There's a better assurance of academic integrity, security, if a proctor monitors the process. Who may be a proctor? Any teacher or district employee. You should have an adult district employee that is supervising you during your online math class at your school. This should be your option for your proctor. If you're homeschool or through connections, then your parent or a guardian should work as a proctor. Okay, so I want to go through, there's an assignment on there, how to select a proctor. And it's basically up to the student to contact the proctor and talk to them and schedule a date for testing. Once your proctor has agreed to proctor your test, you'll need to provide some information here that I want to show you on the assignment. So I wanted to walk you through real quick to get to the assignment. This is just going to be an example. Go into Unit 1. Each one's going to have this. It's before the practice test because you need to allow at least 24 hours for me to process your proctor and get the passwords and stuff sent off to them. So you go down here and you find this. When you get to it, you'll click on it and you're going to see the same information here again, explaining exactly how to do it. This assignment, you click the submit assignment, and then it says right here to copy and paste this information right here. I'm going to copy it, you're going to stick it in here, and then you need to fill out this information. So student name, school, the class you're taking, advanced algebra, whatever it is, the unit, chapter 2 unit test, the test date, the proctor's name, the proctor's email, and then the proctor's title. Proctor's title is teacher at whatever school. Okay. You also need to make sure that you have to remember there's 2 parts to every test. Every unit test has 2 parts. So you need to set up a date. You can do it all in one day if you choose to, but if you do not have enough time to do it all in one day, you'll have to set that up with your proctor. Make sure he understands that it's going to be a 2-day thing for you or a 2-period thing. Once you get this information all filled out, you'll submit it. It'll go to me. You'll receive a email from me stating that your proctor has met the requirements and you can use that person as a proctor. This process will get easier as you're using the same proctor each time. I then will send off an email to your proctor and they will have the passwords to get you into the tests. So this is how the proctoring the test will work this year.